the Hot Wheels RC car. It is out new this year. I guess I've never seen them before. I don't see any videos on YouTube with them, so you know, as far as I know, they're new this year. This is the Lamborghini temerario. It is pretty nice. I had it out yesterday, checking it out, or day before, checking it out, and it's pretty nice. It's fully functional, proportional steering. It has a lot of nice artwork on the box. I don't know if y'all can see it, but pretty much every article of paper has some kind of artwork or a number or something on it. So I'm still a little shaky, so just bear with me. Here's the instruction manual. Here is the artwork card that comes with it. I believe it's not signed, but you know, it has a lithograph or whatever it is of his autograph on here. So there's that. The back of it actually has something else on it too. Tell you about the story of the car, the artwork on the box, everything that has to do with the Hot Wheels RC car. The artwork was done by hand, by head, remembering what the car looked like. So all of this artwork in here is done by hand, freehand, and it's done all off of his head. So without further ado, we're going to get the car out. And it does come with a charging cord here. Not very long, but it does the job. Here's the car. Comes in a nice box. And just over here, here is the radio. I don't know if you can see the whole thing or not, but now it does have a light switch to turn the lights on and off. The car does come with lights, so you can turn them on and off with this switch. It has a high-low switch right here, which makes the car either go fast or slow. And you have your steering trim, forward, reverse, and your steering. Now we're going to get the car out, take a look at the car. It is metal, seeing as how it's Hot Wheels die cast. The body is metal, and the chassis is a composite plastic. And it does look pretty cool. I haven't driven it yet, just because I wanted to wait for the video. And let's see here, got the batteries in the remote. Always turn the radio on first, then the vehicle. Let me move this box out of the way. Temerario, the Lamborghini Temerario. going pretty good, man. I'm pretty impressed by the sensitivity on the throttle. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Goes forward, reverse, turns. I do think I have this on high. Maybe on low. I don't know. Push the button here to switch the modes, and the lights will flash to let you know that it is changing modes. Whoa, okay, that's high there. That's high. That's fast. Wow. I don't want to drive it off the table. Like I just did. So I'm going to put this in low again, just to, I'm going to check and make sure that the steering's straight and everything's working good. The reverse lights come on when it goes in reverse, as long as you hold the button down. Oh, and when you turn the wheels, if you turn them just a little bit, let me put this back in high because it affects the turning of the steering wheel. So this back in high, switching over, and when you turn the wheels just a little bit, you don't see anything. Look at that. Turn signals. Are you kidding me? That is pretty awesome. So we put this back in high again, push the button, put it in low there until I get kind of used to driving it around and stuff. So looks like the steering's pretty straight on it. I did have some cones I was going to bring out here and set up a little track. Pretty good proportional steering on it though. I mean, when you turn the wheel a little bit, the wheels turn a little bit. So it's pretty awesome. Switch modes. Switch this back. So